How to get free traffic to your affiliate link in 2019. Guys, my name is Scott Anderson. I'm here with Start Funnels. On this channel, we help you to understand and utilize sales funnels to help you make more online commissions. In today's video, we're going to chat about traffic, so let's go ahead and check it out. Step number one, who is your audience? Or in other words, who do you want your audience to be? Now, if you can answer this question effectively, you can really dial down who you want your audience to be, then you will know what type of products to sell to them, okay? Or let's think of it this way. Let's say you find a product, then you have to figure out, okay, who would want this type of product? Now, if you can really hone in and understand who your audience is, a lot better to target and market them because you know where they're hanging out, what they're doing. So I've got on this computer screen here, these girls looking at a computer, okay? And now they look like they're intrigued by something, okay? Now that could be on any other platform. But guys, let's focus on, for an example, let's say I'm selling ClickFunnels, okay? So ClickFunnels, who would use ClickFunnels? Well, I would think any small business owner trying to do more online, okay? I could think of entrepreneurs or even affiliate marketers or someone selling e-commerce, okay? So those are all people that could be using ClickFunnels. So then I think, okay, well, do I want them to be males or females? Do I want them to be in the age of 20 to 40, okay? The better you understand and know who that target audience you're hoping for, the better you can then publish content for that, okay? So that's step number one. Step number two is publishing on a specific platform, okay? But I asked the question, what social platform do you currently use, right? Like which one do you understand the most? Which one are you currently publishing to or following? And what's the one that you get the most likes, the most follows? Because if you're focusing on that one, most likely you'll have a much greater advantage than trying to do some other platform. Guys, and disclaimer here, I've heard it from many online marketers in 2019 that all of the platforms are working. Whether it is Instagram or Pinterest or Twitter or YouTube or blogging, etc. It's just if you are consistent with it and you just keep publishing to it, the better you'll get at it and the more you can actually accomplish and start seeing success. So what platform are you currently using and think, okay, are my audience on this platform? Well, more than likely, yes, but where and how, okay? So that's step number two. Step number three, in order to get anywhere, guys, or to get free traffic to your affiliate links, you have got to be publishing content. And guys, you need to set a goal and you need to stick with it and just produce content. So look at this guy. He is grinding some sort of thing that's metal. Look at his glasses. He's got his glasses. He's got his shield. He's really focused. He's honed in. He's got his gloves on. He is there to get work done. He is grinding it out literally. And that's what we all need to do if we want to get clicks to our affiliate links or to get free traffic to anything that we're trying to sell. So set a goal and just grind it out. Step number four, guys, you've got to trust this process. I think there are a lot of people out there currently trying to think that there is some sort of magical way that they're just going to start getting all this traffic to a funnel and they're just going to start making money. Guys, I wish that were true, but unfortunately, I don't think there is. I've tried to look for it, haven't really found it. So what do we have to do? We just have to grind it out. Find your audience, know the social platform, and just bust it out, okay? When I think of trusting this process, it's probably best to look at all those that are successful online right now. So let's think of Gary Vee. Let's think of Russell Brunson, Spencer Mecham. Maybe you've heard of all these people, maybe you haven't. But trust me, Gary Vee was nobody. He worked at a wine store with his dad, okay? He started publishing videos to YouTube. That got him some traction. Then he was able to crush it now on Instagram. He's made books, blah, blah, blah. So he started out at what? Zero, nothing, okay? All of us do on social media. We don't have like this money that's given to us and we're able to then have like buy all these followers or something like that. It doesn't work that way, okay? Russell Brunson, he's producing content, valuable software called ClickFunnels. And because of that, he is now publishing and marketing so much towards that then he builds up, okay? Spencer Mecham, trying to figure out how to make money online, try to figure out something. He created value, which once again, in order to accomplish getting free links to your, or in order to get free traffic to your affiliate links, or if you're trying to sell anything online, guys, you have to provide value. If you're not providing value, then it's going to be really hard to get any links. Another marketer that I am following that I highly trust, he is saying to publish like 90% value and 10% promotion. So I think that is very wise, but once again, you have to do steps 1, 2, 3, and then 4. To just trust in the process, believe that this will happen, and just keep grinding it out, okay? Guys, that's it. That's the 4 steps of how to get free traffic to your affiliate links in 2019. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and please tip the bell icon if you'd like to be notified of any other videos when I publish them. And lastly, guys, I have a free guide of how to get online commissions. It is completely free. Click on the link below. It's startfunnels.com/guide. When you go there, you will see an awesome layout, and there's this free ClickFunnels training from A to Z, and I give you a kind of workbook sheet. Anyway, go ahead and check it out, guys. Once again, thanks for watching. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next video.